Action items are a great way to keep track of what needs to be done before your next meeting, and also help you keep track of who is in charge of what action item. So to do that, you'll use your shared notes, type the / command, and then select action item, and then you can tag members of your team using the @ command, and then as you type out their name, they'll appear in the list, and then they'll be tagged. So as you're working through the meeting, talking about next steps, action items, all you need to do is create that action item in the meeting, and it will be saved in the context with the timestamp similar to all of your other notes. Then when you're ready to review all of your action items, you'll use the tab Action Items inside of your Vowel workspace, and all of the action items that you have for every single one of your meetings will live here. And you can use the filters to ones that were just created by you or created by others, assigned to you as well as assigned to others, what the status of those action items is, and so forth. And so that way, as you're looking through all of your meetings and things that you need to work on, you can leverage this action items tab. Quick tip, I actually like to bookmark this as my homepage in Vowel so that every time I open Vowel, it brings me directly to my action items, and I can review what still needs to be done before my upcoming meetings. Hopefully that helps you stay on track with all of your tasks.